How to fix shipping not available for selected address in Shopify. If your Shopify store customers are getting hit with the shipping not available error, it almost always means your shipping profiles, rate conditions, or inventory locations aren't covering that destination. And resolving this takes just a couple of minutes. So first, let's verify that the customer's country or state is actually included in an active shipping zone. Go to your Shopify admin, then go to settings down here and select shipping and delivery. Under general shipping rates, click on general profile right here. And after that, scroll down to shipping to and check if the destination country or region is listed under a shipping zone. If it's missing, just add a zone. Okay. Choose the zone you want and press done. You can just search for the target country or state, tick it, and ensure you click add rate, so a price or free shipping option is explicitly assigned to that zone. Now, if the shipping zone exists but the error still pops up, your shipping rate conditions might be cutting off the order. So inside your shipping zone, click on the three dots next to your shipping rates and choose Edit Rates. So you just press on, for example, Standard, three dots, Edit Shipping option. And click on Remove Conditions or expand the weight and price limits. If your rate is capped at 10 kg or $100 and a customer's cart exceeds that weight or value, Shopify blocks checkouts. Also head to Products, click on the affected item, scroll to Shipping, and verify the box for this is a physical product, so make sure that it's checked so Shopify knows how to calculate the rates for it. Okay, and then you just press Save and you're good to go with this fix. Enjoy. If this was helpful, subscribe as always.